All right, so we're going to go over this problem. And I'm going to have you write the problem in your journal. At the very top, if you don't have a journal, just get a blank piece of paper. So Hillary saves $2 every day. Can you see, Francine? Can you copy? I'm copying this part right here.
Oh, $2.
Right there, number 1. She initially had $9 in her bank account. So that's what I'm copying right here. Copy that in your journal. I already copied it in mine. That's what it should look like. And we're going to go over the table, the graph, and the explanation. Can you see? And we're going to do the 4 parts. We're going to analyze this problem using the 4 tools. Just so you know, it's recording right there, okay? Okay, and then draw the big T, please. So we're going to start with the table. And we're going to write number of days here. Okay, you have that?
Look at the line again.
No, it's going to be a big table. Look at my paper. Big T.
All over the paper?
Yes. You have to copy mine, please. Copy exactly what I have. And then on this corner, you put table. Do me a favor, can you put this over there on your table, please? Okay, can you see, Francine? Okay, so number of days, Drew, copy that. And we're going to put Hillary on this side. So we're going to have 2 tables for the 2 people in this problem.
Number 1?
No, you put number of days. Now, in the problem, they told me to make a table for 0 through 10. Okay, so I write 0 through 10. 0 through 10. You have that? Why is it needs to be close to the, it's fine. All right, so it tells us that she starts with $9, right? So am I going to put the 9 with the 1, or am I going to put the 9 with the 0?
With the 0?
Exactly, because that's how much she starts with. So it's going to be $9. Now, every day she is saving $2, okay? So on the first day, it would be 9, and then what are we going to do with the $2 if she's saving it? Are we going to do 9 plus or 9 minus?
Minus?
No, not minus, because we're saving. We're going to do plus. We're getting more. Plus $2. So that's going to equal $11. I don't put my work here. I just put the final answer. Okay, I put the work on a little scratch piece of paper. Now, for 2 days, that means that she has saved money 2 times. So it'd be 2 plus 2, which is
12, 13.
And then for 3 days, I do 9 plus 2 3 times. Be what?
16.
You sure?
Yeah. 14. 14, 15, 16.
But we're only doing plus 2, 3 times
Oh, 6 is 15.
15. All right, and then we continue this pattern. We do, on the 4th day, we do plus 2 for all 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So altogether is
Plus 16. I mean 17.
17, yeah. And you're going to continue the table. Now, I could write it like this. I could also write it like this. 9 plus 2, I did that 1 time. 9 plus 2, I did that 2 times. 9 plus 2, 3 times. 9 plus 2, 4 times. It's the same way saying both of them. But instead of having to write the 2 4 times, I could just say 2 4 times 4. So for 5, it would be 9 plus 2,
19.
5 times. And 2 times 5 is 10, so 9 plus 10 is 19. And then you can finish the table. Okay, so now we see how to make the table. Now we're looking for important parts, some patterns. Okay, so we've made the table. Now we're going to make the explanation. So how did we get the numbers? So for Hilary, we're going to write for Hilary at the top. What did we do? What did we do each time?
Each time we multiply.
Yeah, and from going from these to these, what did we do? Are we adding, multiplying, subtracting from 9 to 11? What did we do?
We're gonna multiply 9, 11, 9, 11.
We did, is it plus, minus from 9 to 11?
Plus.
Plus how many?
2.
Yes, every time we did plus 2. So I'm going to write that for every time we did plus 2. We started with 9, and every time we did plus 2. Do plus 2 all the way down. This side is changing by how much? From 0 to 1, what's the difference? We're doing how much? How much of a difference? From 1 to 2, how much of a difference? Shukran?
Plus, minus?
1, just plus 1.
Oh,
1 plus
plus
1
one.
is 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. It's a change of 1 every time. Okay, so that means we're adding $2 every time for every 1 day. And we started with 9. That was our initial. And every time, see how that happens 1 time? All right, so everybody have that in their journal. Okay, and then on this side, for Hilary, we are adding. We add 2 for each day to 9. Okay, so we add, that's the piece right here, the plus 2. We add 2 for each day, right? That's this side, and to 9, because 9 is how much we start with. Make sure you have everything in your journal. I'm recording, and I can hear it. So now we're going to write the equation. So we're going to say H, because H is how much, every time we write a variable, we have to explain what that is. Hilary's amount. Okay? And so we're going to say that she starts with 9, and we add. So add means plus 2 for each day. D is not going to stand for days. It's going to stand for the number of the days. Because it's going to be like the equation we wrote here. We're going to do 9 plus the 2 times every number of day. Okay? So that's my equation. I have my initial. That's the 9. And then I have this part right here, what I do every day, the plus 2, every single time. So I hope you're noticing that the 9, 9, 9 is in all of them. The 2 is in all of these. And you're going to see how it looks like on the graph in just a minute. And then you'll have a chance to do it by yourself in a minute. Okay, so let's do the graph. All right, so we're going to put the number of the days here because that's the independent variable. That one doesn't depend on anything.
So still we 0 again?
Just like we did 0 through 10, 0 through 10. I'm going to go from the table to this graph to make a graph. Okay, so let's plot these points. So at 0, it's going to be at 9. So here's 0, there's 9. Between 8 and 9. Find on yours.
Here?
Yeah, 0, and then put the point on 9.
Oh, here.
Nope, nope, nope. It's got to be on 0. Look, 0's here. 0 is this line.
Here.
Go to 9. Put the point at 9. Let me see. Between 8 and 10. There you go. All right, and then at 1 is going to be at 11. So here's 1. See, find the 1. And I go up to 11. Between 10 and 12. And then day 2 is 13. Between 12 and 14. Day 3 is 15. Day 4 is 17. Day 5 is 19. Day 6 is 21. Day 7 is 23. Day 8 is 25. Day 9 is 27. Day 10 is 29. Okay. Now, we did the one for Hilary together. Now, what you're going to have to do is do the other one for Melly on your own. So for the one for Melly, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to draw a table like this. You're going to put number of days. Okay, and you're going to make Melly's right here next to Hilary's. You're going to do the graph right here on the same grid where Hilary's is at. And then you're going to write the equation for Melly. That's what you're going to do next on Go Formative.